New England Gardening, it's 8:40. I'd say these are blizzard conditions. I can usually see street lights from here. Looks like only a couple 100 feet of visibility. Wind's really picked up. So it's 9:15. I'd say these are blizzard conditions. You can barely see the plow truck. So it's just past 9 o'clock. It's about 9:15. And we got 10 inches here. I think we're going to have over 20 inches by morning. So you can usually see street lights from here, but I can't see nothing. I can hear the plow in the distance. I'll make sure I keep my ear to that. I don't want to get run over. Jeez, I think the visibility is even getting less now. Oh, it's like a foot in the street. Man, I can't see anything. This is one of those instances where it does not pay to have glasses. I need heated glasses. Finally see the street lights. Okay, so we already have 3-foot high snow banks from the plow, and I can imagine what this is going to be like tomorrow. But thank you over this here. So we already have 10 inches. That's not including drifts. This drift here looks definitely deeper. They're saying at some point we can get 3 inches in. We're not just 1. So I already have 10. In an area that doesn't look like so I'm guessing this is definitely going to be over 20 inches, if not 2 feet. So this setup is going to be one for the record books. Take the most opportune time to, is that how you say it? to do a project. I just put up the bird feeder. Couldn't get it into the ground definitely because it's frozen solid, but I was able to find some brackets.